Hey y'all, this is Deja the Diva, just coming at you with a quick video. This is a spray I made for my front door. My grandson and I made it last night, and to tell you the truth, all it is two of those artificial small trees from the Dollar Tree. We took all the hardware off. We used super glue. We pulled all the branches to the front. We super glued the metal in the back. One is regular, one is halfway down the other branch. The metal part, halfway down in the back. As you can see, we tied off with some pipe cleaners just to hold it tight and taut, especially until it was glued. As you can see, that one starts right there. The other one starts here. From an old wreath that needed thrown away, I took all these ornaments off of it, and I just placed it strategically. Put pipe cleaners at the top to cover up the metal, and put a hook around that so I can hang it on my door like so. Easy peasy and quick. Yeah, me and my grandson did this in less than 5 minutes. We had some fun last night, so you will be seeing some DIYs coming your way. Well, that's it for this video. Yeah, so 2 trees from the Dollar Tree. We took the hardware off. We pulled all the branches forward because it's going to be a spray that's going to be on my front door. Got to still be able to close the door, so all the branches were pulled frontwards. We glued it in the back and strapped it down with pipe cleaners, as you can see. Took ornaments off of an old wreath and we zhuzhed it up, placed where we thought would be best place. We put pipe cleaners at the top and a hook. Easy peasy, quick, something you guys can have your kids involved in, where they can take pride in. And I thought about adding fairy lights, but decided against it. Just want this just plain. I don't want everything blinging and shining and blinking. And yeah, some things just need to be traditional. So there you go, you guys. This is Deja the Diva. I love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. This is Deja, and I'm out.